Hi guys, Great Lake Chennai forms are out. So in today's video we'll check all the details about Great Lakes. So this video will contain the complete admission process, what all academics they're looking for, student life, placement. So we'll try to cover up all these things, students, how the students batch profile and everything. The process happens in two phases at Great Lakes. So we have the admission cycle 1, cycle 2. So last date application will start from September 9th, which already have started, and submission of cycle 1 in 22nd of November before the CAT exam, and then the cycle 2 will start. So they have admission in two phases. You can apply in phase 1 or you can apply in phase 2. Those who are hell-bent of that, I want to apply, it's a good college, this and that, then you should apply for the phase 1. Otherwise, my recommendation is wait for phase 2. By the time we'll have the CAT result out, everything out. So we are in a better position to decide where I'm going to get into. Exam wise, they accept GMAT score, CAT, ZAT and CMAT score. So GMAT score taken after 1st of January 2019, CAT 19, CAT 20 scores, ZAT 2021 and CMAT 2021. So they are accepting two years ka score. So you can apply with the last year ka scores as well. The applicant should possess a bachelor degree from any discipline. So all engineers, everyone is valid here. Freshers with less than 24 months of experience are only eligible for this thing. Greater than 24 months of experience are requested to apply for the Great Lakes PGDM program. So they have two programs. One is for the where the fresher can apply for the 24 months program, 2 years program, and those who more than two years of work, they can apply for the 1 year program as well. So they have two programs. My recommendation is 1 year program is the main program, but for that you need a 2 years of work ex. The form fees is 2,000 rupees, which you have to buy the form. So take a call whether you want to apply or not. We'll talk about everything, the placement, everything, and then we'll decide that whether to go ahead or not. For evaluation, they are checking 5 things in the evaluation process. One is the academic ability. So academic record, consistent academic record is preferred. Number 2 is the standardized score. It's not like everything is important. Any one of them having good will be a very good thing to convert. So either a good academic record or a good CAT percentile, both of them will work. Rank holders are always preferred, a university, college or university rank holder. Integrity and ethical values are going to be checked, and diversity of the background. These 5 things are going to be checked for admission: diversity, integrity, rank holder, standardized test, and the academic ability. Based on this, you will be selected in the Great Lakes College. Okay, now let's check out the batch profile. Now at the batch, 63%, check out the batch profile. So 63% are engineers and 29% are BE, BTech and BE. So together that is almost half of the batch, more than half, 90% of the batch are engineers. Others 3%, BSc 1%, 1% BBA and 3% BCom. So diversity बोलने का फ़ायदा क्या हो भाई, तुम्हारे सारे तो इंजीनियर यहाँ पे. 92% of the batch is engineers. Industry work-ex, pre-MBA work-ex, 65% have the work-ex in IT. 40% electrical com skills, 18% mechanical, 16% computer science, remaining accounts, commerce, IT and other areas where the work-ex they have come from undergraduation. Yeah, pre-graduation where they worked with, fine. So they have association with all these colleges. Yeah, so all these companies have come on campus. Accenture Strategy, Cognizant, Amazon, all these companies have come on the campus. And a lot of these companies are going to other B schools. The average CTC is 13.6 lakhs and highest domestic CTC is 28.6 lakhs. Yep. So average package is 13 lakh package. Now if you look at where they have placed, So large number of companies came for Accenture, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, ZS, IT, manufacturing, e-commerce. All the companies have come from Accenture. Strategy and technology both have come. So highest domestic is 18.6. I think that's for Accenture strategy only, by a large multinational company. So it have to be Accenture most probably. Average is 13.6. Post MBA students who got 2.64 times more salary as they got before MBA. So those who have experience, they got more salary. So if you look at the range, now that's a very good statistics which we have. Top 75% of the batch have got 14 lakh ka package. Top 50% batch have got 17 ka package. Top 25% 17.1, and top 10% of the batch have got the package of 20.1 lakh. Yeah, more than 16 lakh, 14% of the batch have got more than 16 ka package, and 9% of the batch have got less than 10 ka package. So 24%, 10 to 12 lakhs, 26%. So all these are safe zone. So if you look at below average, these two bracket 9 and 25. So 33%, one third of the batch have got lower than the average salary. Now if you look at here, the consulting wise, these all companies came on campus for consulting. Banking sector companies, you can pause the video and check out the details. E-commerce, IT, and product based companies, and remaining other companies. Look at the fee structure. So total tuition fees is 7.6 lakhs and program fees 7.6. Total 11.6 lakhs is the tuition fees. Yeah, which is okay. Housing and food charges 5 lakh. Caution deposit 10,000, 5,000 alumni fees. So total fees come out to be 17.1 lakh. Now this is a very good fees because that includes hostel, khana pina inclusive, all inclusive. So if you remove the hostel, food and everything, the fees, pure fees is only 12 lakh. Now 12 lakh of fees and average salary of 17 lakhs. So obviously, 13 lakhs. So obviously is a decent ROI. So it's a good backup program which you can apply. The fees is subjected to revision obviously by the time of admission. That's okay. So now you have to take a call whether to apply or not apply. That is on to you. So fees is 13 lakhs. Sorry, the average package is 13 lakh. Fees is 12 lakh pure fees plus hostel 5 lakhs. So fees come out to be around 17 lakhs. So my advice would be, and CAT percentile cutoff will be around 90 percentile. CAT, ZET, CMAT, 90 percentile plus have a very good chance to convert. So to apply or not to apply, those who are hell-bent, I'm from Chennai, I want to apply, or I'm from South India or Great Lakes, I do want to apply because of my work ex, then you can immediately apply, because I would prefer to if you go in round 1. Otherwise, if you're still thinking about, still doubtful, let's wait for round 2. Let's wait for all the results to come, and then after all the results are out, we will decide whether to apply or not to apply. Alright, all the best.